So ito na yung eggplant natin, guys. What we'll do is I have this tahina, and then may lemon salt na rin siya. Mabilisan lang to. And I have your yogurt. Mix this. Okay. So in Arabic naman, Arabic misa, they use yogurt, little tahin, and then itong eggplant, lemon salt, and that's done. Some they mix with parsley, with tomato, onion, but for the plain, ganito lang po yan. Yeah. Dinagdan tayo ng little salt for the taste, and some fresh ground pepper, and some olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is better. Mas okay yung taste niya. So this, guys, you can use this one for dippings, for appetizers, partner nyo sa grill, partner nyo sa fried, sausawan nyo ng chips, okay to. I think it's done. Taste dito. For me, it's okay. Yan, done na to, guys. So, ano natin siya. Flat lang natin. Flatten. Then drizzle sa mga olive oil. Don't worry sa olive oil yan, healthy naman yan. I have here some pomegranate fruit seeds. You can just put it on top. If you have parsley, it's cool also. You have some people, they mix it with tomato, onions, and parsley. Yeah, it's done. It's our Mutabel. I love, gusto ko pa yung mas maraming olive oil, mas masarap. Doesn't matter because extra virgin olive oil naman to, so okay na yan. Okay, guys. So here's our Mutabel. If you want to upgrade this, guys, you can mince some onion, mince some parsley, and tomato, and you can mix it up here. Yan siya without light.